Hi, I'm Michael Weezar, and I am a business accounting major at Cal State Fullerton. I'm also a Cengage student ambassador, and today I'm going to show you everything you can do with SAM, your online homework platform. SAM gives you access to e-textbooks, study tools, assignments, and more. Before we start, make sure you've signed up for your SAM course and that you have an active Cengage account. If you need to create an account, hit pause while you go to startstrong.cengage.com and learn how to register for your course. Then you can come back and watch the rest of this video. Okay, so here I'm logging in directly to sam.cengage.com. You'll probably access SAM assignments and content through a learning management system like Blackboard, Canvas, D2L, Moodle, or something similar. It'll have links to individual assignments, readings, and activities, and these take you straight to SAM. If an instructor hasn't put links to SAM in your LMS course, you can access everything directly. Just go to sam.cengage.com to log in or create an account. When you go to SAM, you'll see a list of assignments that include readings and activities. You can sort assignments by due date, name, or activity type, or you can select calendar view. Click on any assignment to launch it. Now, one thing to note is that your instructor may put due dates in your LMS or the syllabus, so don't forget to check those. Now, I'll show you how to access an e-textbook. Using the activity lists, I'll select a reading. Here's the SAM Reader. Think of it as an e-textbook with a lot of extra features. Once you find the page you want, you'll see several icons in the upper right-hand corner. Click the speech bubble to have the whole page or highlighted section of text read out loud. You can also change the font size, bookmark the page, or print from here. To navigate to another page, use the arrows, or return to the table of contents. Use the cursor as you read to select and highlight text. You can change the highlight colors, add notes, or add that whole section as a flashcard. Be on the lookout for any orange highlights. Those were made by your instructor to emphasize something important. Now, highlighting is one of my favorite things about SAM. It saves me time, helping me focus on key information, and I like to make notes and flashcards that I can use later when I study. Speaking of notes and flashcards, SAM has a great place to collect all this information. Click the pencil icon on the sidebar to access your study guides, notes, and bookmarks. You can see I have all the notes and highlights that I made. I always print these out before an exam to help me prepare. To access your flashcards, including the ones that come with the book, click the flashcards icon. This will show you flashcards organized by chapter. You can also make your own. If you're like me, you need an easy system for keeping track of your assignments and due dates. And here it is. If I click on assignment name, then start, its status will become in progress and I'll be able to complete it. Remember, many instructors post links to assignments in their LMS. You can always use those links to go straight to each assignment instead of accessing them through SAM. Either way, you can see all of your due dates at a glance in this column. Now you're probably wondering how to check your grades and track your progress. Click Reports, and you'll see a list of submitted items. From here, you can generate reports that will take you to training resources and e-textbook links for topics you may have missed. Click Gradebook to see your grades. Your instructor may have the set to send scores to your LMS as well. So, I hope you find SAM as useful as I do. If you need any help or have any questions, Cengage support is available 24/7 by chat, phone, or at support.cengage.com. Thanks for watching and have a great semester.